Alright, so in this hair tutorial, I'm going to be using UNice Brazilian curly hair. I will put all the details about this hair in the description box below. So for the most part, this video is self-explanatory, but there are some important points I want to make. So I'll be talking, chiming in here and there, letting you know important steps that you shouldn't forget in the process. So this is the most important part of how your curls will turn out, is how you wrap the hair around the flexi rod. So if you start at the root and then begin to wrap the hair around, you're going to achieve more bouncy wand-like curls. If you start at the bottom of the hair and you just begin to roll the hair up, you're going to achieve spiral-like curls. So keep that in mind when you are doing any type of flexi rod tutorial on your hair. The way you wrap your hair is going to determine how the curls actually come out. And because I want this specific kind of curl, this is why I am wrapping the hair this way. So I'm going to do this one more time on camera a little bit closer so you guys can see the technique up close, but I'm not going to show me flexi rodding my entire head because that's unnecessary. A final step I like to do is to spray a light hold hairspray, not an extreme hold like got to be, a light hold hairspray just to help the flexi rods stay in place and help the hair not slip off of the flexi rods. You want your hair to dry completely before you take it down. So you either need to blow it dry, sit under a dryer, let it dry overnight, those kind of things. Your hair needs to be completely dry before you take it down. And as you can see, when you take your hair down, sometimes every curl doesn't turn out perfect. And that's fine, at least for me it is, because the way I'm going to shape and fluff it, I don't need every curl to be perfect or to look exactly the same. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. And then you will have some curls that turn out just perfection like this one did right here. But you can always, if you feel some type of way about that, you can always go in and wand the curls that didn't turn out the way you wanted them to. So when doing this part of the process, you want to make sure you use a light oil in just a very little amount. You're only using the oil to reduce frizziness. You don't want the oil to weigh the curls down. So I like to use the one and only argan oil because I feel like it's light, it smells good, and it just gets the job done. End result is just beautiful. Obviously you can fluff the hair and separate the hair to your liking. I wanted to get a big look with lots of volume, and I also want to point out that to get and to achieve these type of results, you need to be doing this flexi rod set on curly hair. If you use body wave or straight hair, it's not going to look like this. Your end result is not going to look like this. So now all I'm doing is creating some fake bangs and adding a little more shape to it as if I was cutting the hair without actually cutting it. So I'm just adding in bobby pins here and there to help fluff some of the curls out, just to get the shape that I was going for. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I really love the way the final look came out. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.